In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gmail account permanently. Before we start, a quick but important reminder. Deleting your Gmail means losing access to the inbox, messages, and the address itself, and if you remove your entire Google account, you'll also lose things like Drive files, photos, YouTube purchases, and more. This action can affect app logins and subscriptions tied to that account. If there's anything you want to keep, consider backing it up first using Google's data download tools. Once you're ready and sure, let's walk through the process clearly and carefully. Begin by going to the Google account homepage in your web browser. This is your central hub for privacy, security, and account preferences. If you're not already signed in, sign in with your Gmail credentials so you're managing the correct account. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right profile, especially if you use multiple Google accounts on the same device. From the main dashboard, look for the section labeled Data and Privacy. Open it to access settings related to your personal information, activity, and how your data is handled. Scroll down the page until you see a section with more options for managing your data and account. In that area, select Delete your Google account. Note that this option deletes the entire Google account, not just Gmail, and that means all associated Google services will be removed. If your goal is only to remove Gmail while keeping other Google services, make sure you pick the option specific to removing a service. Otherwise, proceed with deleting the whole account only if that's what you truly intend. For security, you'll be asked to enter your password again. This confirms it's really you. After that, Google will display a summary of what will be deleted and may highlight subscriptions or charges tied to the account. Read these details carefully. Next, you'll see confirmation checkboxes stating you understand the consequences, including permanent data loss and potential charges. Check these boxes only after reviewing everything. When you're ready, click Delete Account to finalize the process. You should see a confirmation that the account is scheduled for deletion. In some cases, there may be a short window to recover the account, but this isn't guaranteed, so proceed as if it's permanent. Afterward, update any services that use this Gmail for login or recovery so you don't get locked out elsewhere. And that's it. You've deleted your Gmail account permanently.